This is a demo of how to create a customer account on a Whitelance powered marketplace, how to post your job and hire a freelancer. So you'll be directed to a page where you can post the job within a regular category, a relevant category. And the first thing you'll see on the left-hand side are all of the profiles of relevant freelancers who have portfolios and working experience items and other information that is relevant to that particular category. You can view them and decide whether this is the kind of person you want to work with. And if you're ready to continue, you can start posting your job in a job title, description, and you can decide whether to fill in the non-required fields or not, perhaps choosing a relevant skill, a location, and filling in any of the other inputs that your marketplace may or may not have displayed. If you haven't registered, you'll need to register. Type in your password, create a new one. Decide whether you want to post the job anonymously or privately, so freelancers need to be notified directly by you, invited by you before they can see it. Agree to the terms and conditions and click Get Quotes. This will now create a user account for you. It will post the job. It will send email notifications to all relevant freelancers, and it will take you to the page where you can go and search for relevant freelancers. And here they are. Again, you can look at their profiles, decide whether these are the people that you want to work with. You can filter them by a particular category or subcategory. You can run whichever sorts are relevant. You can search by a particular keyword. And ultimately, if you're interested in working with them, you can send them a quick message to say hello. And you can also click the invite button. And what this will do is we'll send them a new email to say that you are particularly interested in their profile, you think they're relevant, and it will encourage them to send through a proposal to you. But before you can do that, you have to go and verify your email address. There we go, we have to verify that first. So I'm going to pause the video and go and verify by logging into my email account and clicking on the button, and then I'll come back and join you in a second. Okay, so I've clicked on that verification button in my email and my account has now been activated, which means that when I go and search for my freelancers, relevant freelancers, I will be able to, let's just refresh that. I'll be able to invite them. And now you can see that that's been processed, and we will be emailed if the freelancer does send us a proposal. So a few other points to note here is that once your job has been posted, it will have successfully gone out to relevant freelancers. And now you can, if you want, go through and look at all the relevant freelancers, or you can just sit back and wait for proposals to come through. Let me just take you through some of the other details in your account. So you've got your inbox, and different channels will appear on the left here, and your messaging details will appear on the right. You can also search relevant people. You've got your profile, and you can spice this up a little to encourage people to get in touch with you and send a proposal if they think you're an interesting company to work with. So you can put in your introduction, information about who you are and how people can find you. Etc., etc. There's my logo. And this will now appear to freelancers. So let's take a look through the rest of your options. There's the proposals page that we'll come to in a second when a freelancer has sent us a proposal. There is a shortlist where you can shortlist specific freelancer proposals. Favorites, a list of your favorite freelancers. The freelancer search page, which we went to before, where you can search through all the relevant freelancers. And all jobs. And here is where it lists all the jobs that you've posted, and you can view the proposals, you can manage jobs from here as well. You can also edit the job or close it if you are no longer interested in pursuing it. Then there's your settings page. Here you can change your password, your email, and before you can actually accept a contract, you'll be redirected to come here and add a payment method. We can actually do that now, so let's click on that. And I'm just going to pause here and go and find a test card number. Okay, so I've added in my card information here. And that's now saved. So I will now be able to go and accept proposals that have been sent by freelancers. So that will be in our next video. But what you've accomplished now is you've posted your job. You can see that job, edit the job. You can go and view freelancers, see their profiles, invite them to the job, message them, and change your account information, add your credit card. So check our next video for how to view proposals, accept them, and launch the contract itself.